Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Homebridge. Homebridge is a fantastic open-source software that allows you to bring many smart home devices, which do not natively support Apple HomeKit, into your Apple Home ecosystem. It acts as a bridge, translating commands so your devices can be controlled via the Home app or Siri. To begin, you will need a dedicated device, such as a Raspberry Pi or an always-on computer, to host the Homebridge server. First, you need to install Node.js, which is a JavaScript runtime environment essential for Homebridge to operate. Download the recommended long-term support version for your system. Once Node.js is installed, open your terminal or command prompt. Then, use the Node Package Manager, or NPM, to install Homebridge and the Homebridge user interface globally. Finally, set up Homebridge to run as a service, ensuring it starts automatically with your device. With Homebridge installed, the next exciting step is adding your smart devices using plugins. There are over 2,000 community-developed plugins available, supporting a vast array of accessories. You can easily browse and install these plugins directly from the intuitive Homebridge web interface. After installation, you will configure each plugin, often by editing its settings, to include specific details for your devices, like account credentials or IP addresses. Now for the final step, connecting Homebridge to your Apple Home app. Open the Home app on your iPhone or iPad and tap the Add Accessory option. You will then scan the unique QR code that is prominently displayed within your Homebridge user interface. After scanning, follow the on-screen prompts to pair Homebridge and assign your newly discovered smart home accessories to their respective rooms within the Apple Home app. Enjoy controlling your expanded smart home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.